Hi everyone, let me share with you the step-by-step South Korea visa application.
Today, nandito na kami sa KVAC.
Kinuha na namin passport namin to check. Na-approve kami dito sa Korean visa. Ito na! Yay!
wow.
Multiple 5 years!
Congratulations! Here's what we did.
Step 1, fill out the application form. You may download the form at visa4korea-mn.com. You may also use this form as your reference. Step 2, gather all required documents. Check this list. Step 3, submit all the documents to Korea Visa Application
Pumunta kami
Center.
sa Brittany Residences kasi dun yung KVAC kung saan nagpa-process ng visa. Pumunta kami October 2, mahaba daw pila. So ginawa namin 6 o'clock, 6:30, nandito na kami. Pangalawa kami sa pila. Pag binigay mo yung paper sa 9th floor, check nila. Estimated date din kung kailan mo mapipick up yung passport. So October 2 kami nagpunta, estimated date would be October 22.
Step 4, claim your passport with visa result.
October 17, nag-text na pwede na daw i-pick up yung passport. So mga 10 working days yun. Dalawang holiday, October 3 and October 9. Today, October 20, kinuha namin. So yung pag-pick up would be from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Pero yung pag magpapaprocess ka visa mo, 8:30 to 5 o'clock. Options to get your passport. So either punta kayo dito sa KVAC, pwede nyo ipa-deliver. In Metro Manila, ang bayad would be 300 pesos. If outside Metro Manila, payment would be 400 pesos. So yung option namin is kami yung nag-pick up. Good luck sa pag-apply. See you in South Korea.